I'm married to Jesus, Satan, leave me alone. I'm married to Jesus, Satan, leave me alone. My husband is coming to take me away to everlasting home. When you finish reading today's Rhapsody Realities, that kind of singing will live your life forever. Bible says they that know their God shall be strong and do exploits. Read today's Rhapsody Realities and quit being a sissy. I want you to be a partner with the Rhapsody of Realities. Look at the options and click on the link below, and also download the Rhapsody Realities app. And remember, your next level is only a click away. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and you are going to have a fantastic day standing strong in the Lord. Love you. God bless you.